Make finger sandwiches. Thinking of preparing a quick grab or snack for a gathering? Making finger sandwiches is a good option. This snack is easy to prepare and goes well with cool iced tea, coffee, or any beverage that is available for serving. These sandwiches are great for any festive occasion. Here is how to make finger sandwiches. Decide on the filling you would want for your sandwiches. Traditionally, cucumber, ham salad, tuna, cream cheese, and simple butter are used as fillings. But for your own finger sandwiches, you can make a different kind of filling as you wish. Just be imaginative and try fitting the filling with the type of guests you are serving sandwiches with. For example, if you are hosting young adults, you can try jellies or peanut butter. If the guests are more mature, perhaps something traditional is more appropriate. What bread should you use? Decide what type of bread you are going to use in making the finger sandwiches. Usually, white bread is used as it can be easily cut or sliced into squares and other size without taking away the taste of the fillings. If white bread is not available, you can use brown or wheaten bread. What is important is to thinly slice the bread. Purchase the ingredients. After deciding on the kind of bread to be used and the type of filling you would want for your finger sandwiches, you can now shop for ingredients. Make or prepare the filling. If you decide to make fillings out of meat like tuna, ham, salmon, and chicken, draw off all liquid from the meat can into a bowl and mix it with a spoonful of mayonnaise. You can season it with a dash of pepper and salt. You could even add more ingredients if necessary. For example, tuna is a good combo with relish, and salmon goes well with dill and freshly severed herbs to go with cucumber. Put in the fillings to make finger sandwiches. On a slice of bread, put a dollop of filling. Spread the filling equally but sparingly. If necessary, add more dollops of filling to swathe the bread. Atop of the filled slice, put another slice of bread and lightly press them together. With a sharp knife, remove the bread crust. If you want to make square slices, just plainly make a quarter cut of the bread and put them on a serving plate. You could also cut the bread at different angles for different shapes and sizes. Make different cuts of finger sandwiches. For traditional sandwiches using cucumber, cut the bread into quarters for a neat presentation of finger sandwich. Get a slice of bread and spread it with cream cheese. If you can find herbed cream cheese, you can use this too. Put a slice of rind cucumber on top of it, and then apply the same spread to the other slice of bread and put it atop the cucumber. Carry on doing this until you reach the preferred number of sandwiches. Make a good presentation of your sandwiches. Place your finger sandwiches on a serving plate and embellish it with unsullied parsley or some fresh fruit. A good food presentation makes any food look more appetizing.